octopus.
O-C-T-O-P-U-S.
Yay! Can you spell giraffe?
G-I-R-A-F-F-E.
Back up. Can you spell Coben?
C-O-B-E-S.
Can you spell it with your hands?
C-O-B-E-S.
Show me how you do it with sign language. Do it with your fingers.
C-O-B-E-N.
You're not going to do it? Can you spell Amanda?
A-M-A-N-D-A.
That's good. Can you spell Missa?
Okay.
How do you spell Missa?
M-I-I-A.
No. Try again.
M-I-S-S-A.
Good job. Can you spell your best friend's name, Thomas?
T-H-O-U-S.
Can you spell Emily?
E-M-I-L-Y.
Can you spell Spencer?
S-P-E.
What's next?
P.
No. Try again.
Girl.
S-P-E-N-C-E-R.
I.
Can you spell Percy?
P-E-R-C-Y.
That's good. Can you spell train?
T-I-A-I-N.
That's good. Where does Mommy work? Where? Where does Mommy work? Where does Daddy work? At the drugstore. Nope, don't get that. Come here.
Okay.